Scene script, making miniature KFC. Gather your ingredients: miniature chicken pieces, brown paint or markers for breading, red and white paint for the KFC logo, miniature cola bottles or cans, small containers for sides like mashed potatoes and coleslaw, cardboard or foam board for the KFC sign and counter. Preparation station setup. Create a miniature kitchen setup with a tiny fryer, a counter space, and a display area for your KFC meal. Crafting the chicken. Mold your miniature chicken pieces using clay or craft foam into drumsticks, wings, and breasts. Paint them with a brown color to mimic the crispy fried exterior of KFC chicken. KFC logo. Paint the iconic red and white KFC logo on a small sign or banner to hang in your miniature restaurant. Coca-Cola twist. Use miniature cola bottles or cans to add a Coca-Cola theme to your setup. You can even create a tiny Coca-Cola dispenser or cooler. Sides and extras. Craft miniature containers filled with mashed potatoes, coleslaw, or other KFC sides to accompany your chicken. Assemble your miniature KFC. Arrange your crafted chicken pieces on a plate or in a bucket, alongside the sides and Coca-Cola drinks. Place them on the counter of your miniature KFC restaurant, ready for display. Finishing touches. Add details like miniature napkins, utensils, and condiments to complete the scene. Don't forget to set up your KFC sign and any other decorations to enhance the atmosphere. Presentation. Showcase your miniature KFC with Coca-Cola twist proudly, whether it's for personal enjoyment or to impress friends and family. Enjoy the miniature feast. Sit back, admire your handiwork, and perhaps indulge in a real-life KFC meal with a refreshing Coca-Cola to celebrate your creativity. With attention to detail and a sprinkle of creativity, you can craft a miniature KFC with a Coca-Cola twist that looks so enticing, you'll want to take a bite or sip out of it.